Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of Argus Safety. In this session, we are going to talk about utilities and dashboards, utilities menu and the dashboards menu. Which way this would be helpful for a user who is working on Argus Safety. So coming to utilities, this would allow the user to change the password. By clicking on change password, the user can provide the old password and new password, and also you could see the date and time grayed out, the field is grayed out. So this is just an audit log information, like on which date and where what time the user has changed the password. That is an audit log information. So as the user is not supposed to change the time or the date, this particular field is grayed out. So now I'm not changing any password information. Just for users information, I provide that details. So under utilities, we have Medra browser. This again opens up the Medra browser, and you could see the terminology means which version of Medra browser is being used. And here we have the Medra SMQ, standard Medra queries, and this would means standard Medra queries and what value to search that can be provided over here. If it's a full search or include non-current terms, everything is provided over here. And these are the Medra. This is the Medra hierarchy: SOC, HLGT, HLT, PT, and LLT. Here also you can see the hierarchy. So here we can provide the LLT term or PT term, and from that you can select the PT term and click on select for LLT. It would help the user to print. So this Medra browser is specifically to print the terms. So click on open. It would print the entire hierarchy of the particular event whatever we have selected. So you could see over here SOC, HLGT, HLT, PT, LLT. So here we could see the terminology selected, and this is the synonym. The synonym is not selected, that won't be displayed over here. So this Medra browser is for printing the hierarchy. Coming to user login list, when you click on user login list, this generally user login list would be available for admin users just to see which all users are currently logged in, and if the user needs to the reset the user. Say for example, a user has logged in on day say 1st October 2020, and on 2nd of October 2020 the user is not available for logging out. The user missed to log out on 1st of October, and it's it the when the user is has not logged out, that would be available in this particular section. And so in that case, if the particular user who is actually logged in is not available on a particular day, the admin user can reset the user. So when you need to check the checkbox beside a user, and when you click on reset user, here the status would be disconnected. So database would be disconnected. So here you could see the status as disconnected. The login time is disconnected. So this means that the user is no more logged into the application. And if user has opened a case and left the case open, if the user is disconnected, in that scenario, next the other user can access that particular case in and edit the case. That is the purpose of this user login list, and to reset the users. And logs. Coming to logs, this would show you the audit log. On the audit log, you have the category, you have the case number, date range, all details. And when you click on search, this would show the audit log for every case. You could see audit log for every case is available over here. And this audit log is non-editable. So the user cannot change the audit log information over here. And you can print the audit log to see to PDF format